Hello and welcome to another video on updates from the farm. Today is 19th October 2024. The time is about 1:30. Well, beautiful weather again. I don't know whether you can see that in the video, but I can see some beautiful sceneries around the farm, just next to those hills. Feels like really Munnar with all the clouds and the mist getting down to the top of those hills. Rains, yes. I think it was raining very heavily in the last 2 days. Prior to that, probably 2-3 days of no rain. But before that, again, really heavy rains everywhere. I think these rains will probably get over by end of October, around Diwali time. I think these are coming because of the depression in the Bay of Bengal, and with a bit of the seasonal rainfall as well. Usually they get over by Diwali. So, updates. We have almost finished the infrastructure work. Like, there's just one more day of work just to fix those borders, and I don't know if you can see from here. Let me try and go closer. Because of heavy rains, some of those borders got damaged. They got broken. Basically, there was water clogging on the roof and they started coming out of these borders, and in 3 or 4 spots the borders have broken a little bit, but otherwise the labor house and cow shed are almost complete. Just 2 pending work: flooring and some leveling that we need to do at the top in the roof. Otherwise we're all good to go. This side, what we've done is we've leveled the soil with the 5-plow and then with the cultivator. We have sowed maize, solam again, mainly for the cows. This section is full of solam, about 100 kg. We purchased the seeds at Palakod. So this section is full of desi maize, not cholam. Then apparently still waiting for the final power setup. Might take about another week is what I'm told. I went to the power office this morning. Still waiting for that. And before we see rest of the fields, let me show you the groundnut that we have harvested. There you go. So we've separated groundnut and the groundnut plants. So obviously this will be cow fodder, and this should be about 250 to 300 kg, like I was mentioning. Once again, we have not weighed it. We'll get to know once things are dry, and then we weigh them. And you can see some more of the plants. All of this is just groundnut plants. Once again, cow fodder. Coming to this side, the same groundnut fields, if you recollect, every 10 feet we've done these lines of tur dal, tore. They are in the flowering stage right now. I can show you slightly mature plants on the other side, but there's a lot of tavarnabele, that is tur dal, that is almost getting ready. Still not sure how the yield will be, because we have added no chemicals, no fertilizers, no Jeevamrita. It's all just based on, the growth is based on the rainwater. Excuse me. This section we've done urad dal, just trying some experiments. That side, like I was telling you, we had maize, but here we have just sowed urad dal, ulundu. Not much, just about 5 kg I purchased just to try it out. This must be like probably 30 to 40 cents, just this section. And here again we have done horse gram. The idea is just to make sure that we don't leave any part of the soil empty. We just want to continue to utilize it, although it costs a little bit of money. Just want to make sure that we continue to rotate and use the soil. This section, again, maize. So we got almost 100 kg of maize, 2 large bags. Then 5 kg of urad dal and about 40 kg of horse gram. So the sowing work is complete. There is still some space left there. Thinking about musk melon, because I am told it will grow well in the colder season. Just that we have to get it germinated very quickly before the rainfall gets over. Still thinking about it. If we get the seeds, then we'll make sure that we utilize that section for musk melon. So here's one matured plant which I was talking about earlier. You'll probably see these buds. So they're almost at the beginning of the flowering season. Normally people add some sort of a growth promoter at this stage. Since we don't add any synthetic chemicals, I'm just thinking whether we should add some tender coconut diluted water. Otherwise, this section, like I mentioned to you earlier, the maize and horse gram is ready for consumption. This is mainly for cow fodder. Alright, that's all the updates I have today. I hope you got an idea of the progress at the farm. Once again, really beautiful weather today. Feels like we are in the hill station. I wish every day is like this, but it's not possible. Usually it's very hot here. Okay, that's all the updates that I had. I'll see you on a different video later. Bye.